Verizon Wireless allows you to add account managers to your postpaid or prepaid account, granting them access to manage billing, usage, and device controls. This shared access feature is ideal for families or businesses needing collaborative account oversight. As of November 2025, Verizon supports up to 5 account managers per account. Adding a manager does not grant them full ownership, and the primary account holder maintains ultimate control. This system provides secure, adaptive access for managing accounts collaboratively. First, ensure you're on a compatible Verizon plan, with postpaid being preferred. Next, use the My Verizon app or website to verify your account and start the invitation process. Then, provide the manager's name, email, and phone number, and assign appropriate permission levels such as billing manager, usage manager, or device manager. Multi-factor authentication is mandatory for enhanced security. The primary account holder can remove managers at any time. This setup balances convenience with security, helping to prevent unauthorized account changes.